Proven tested can be a blessing. Earn blessing, always learn a lesson. Gotta pass, better keep passing. And the skies is nothing.
How did I stuck on to keeping my day job and making more money, making money outside of my day job or whatever. So everybody know me, the name Leekautorepair, whatever, go on for a long time. I've constantly been promoting myself, or I do a lot of like jobs on the side jobs we call it. And wherever I meet people, it could be anywhere, at a parts store, or people see me outside of work, or I had work somewhere, or word of mouth. Or just mainly for me, word of mouth, because a lot, my name can get around, that connected to some one person know this person know 10 people, that 10 people knew 30 people, and so on and so on. So throughout the years, just me kept promoting myself. I learned to acquire like jobs where people literally just hit me up and, yo, Leek, I got 2000 such and such. I need engine put in. I need transmission put in. I need this leak fixed. My car overheating. Or I got this electrical problem. Whatever it is that could be done, then I do it. I really don't turn down work. And it's not about if I do or don't know how to do it. I mean, I've been at this point where I didn't want to know how to do something before, and then I had to learn how to do it again. That's why I had took the job in the first place, because it was something I had done, or something I had figured out before, whatever, in different scenarios, something similar case, whatever. I don't really turn down work. Anything that you probably can't do, I'm not really going to turn it down like that. Maybe like an oil change or something, but I really don't like doing just oil changes unless you get another work. So I remember one time I had a part-time job. Some people get part-time jobs. I had part-time jobs. Part-time job that I had was like a cleaning job, and I remember cleaning. I remember cleaning like after hours when like the bank would close. It was like this company. They had contracts, but it was like it was a cleaning company, one of those independent type of Jones or whatever. So I remember they had me cleaning like banks like First Republican Bank or like TD Bank. Mainly just the TD Bank and the Republican Bank, but TD Bank. So let's talk about TD Bank. So they had me designated at like maybe like 6 different branches, and I'm working down in a city, like in Philly, like in a city, like Center City, where I had a location in South Philly I had to go to or whatever. But I'm working with them between these branches or whatever. I'm cleaning banks, and then I'm working for 3-4 hours after work, and then I'm coming home around like 9, 10, 11 o'clock. I'm tired as hell, and then I gotta get back up at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning just so I can get to work by 8 o'clock or whatever. So it was just a lot of just adding it up every other day, 5 days a week doing it. Or I'm working the day job for the shop job for 6 days, or I'm working a part-time job for like 4 days, or mainly the part-time job I'll be working for 5 days. So after a while, it got tiring. That shit got tiring, and mind you, I didn't in my early 20s, I wasn't taking this many side jobs. I mean, I would do them, but once I would get like a part-time job, and then in my head it'd be like, oh, I don't need no side job. I got a part-time job. And when I got older, and I had learned more, and more tools, just times are different. And I definitely step up my wrench game or whatever. So I'm taking better type jobs, or not taking them, I'm getting better type jobs, and the amount of people who once hit me up before is now triple the amount. So just the times are different. I will always keep repeating that phrase, because it just wasn't like how it was back then. So yeah, the times really had changed now. So more people start hit me up. I start of course I promote myself. I wouldn't promote nobody else. I mean, maybe if we was a team or something like that, we was in a group, we was doing something, but I always had promoted myself. I was too onto myself. Like, I love myself. Like, I was just always worrying about putting myself first on top of other people. And then I'm not trying to, saying it in that way, I'm not trying to like be selfish, or like just like, yeah, he one of those selfish type boys. He just on himself too much. He conceited and nothing like that. I just want the best for myself. you know, so I can have to that way the best for myself happen, you know, the best can happen to other people that I love or the people I surround myself by. So if I make it, everybody else make it. So I gotta make sure I push myself to my limits or to the test whenever I'm doing something when it comes to cars and stuff. So just the type of skill set I got is very rare, like just how I am, just me. And then on top of that, I'm like, I'm some brown dude, like, working in shops where just there's more white people than black people, or I've been in shops where I was the only black dude. Just, it ain't, it is a lot of it. I'm me, but I don't know about anybody else. But if you was to match me up against somebody else, like, I would swear to God, I'd give that person a run for their money. That's how much serious I took this whole fixing cars. I took it serious. I stayed in my own lane. I worried about perfecting my own skills. Basically, I was in the gym shooting by myself, per se, if you want to say it in that way, in an analogy term, basically. So, yeah, I just learned how to perfect my skill, man. I spent so much time doing it, like, so much time, like a lot of time. Wasn't really, I hung out with people, yeah, cool. I had my fun times and stuff, but mainly, if anything, in my 20s, I was definitely working hard. So, if I would recommend people, you want to get a part-time job, we had 7 minutes. You want to get a part-time job, go get a part-time job. I think it's kind of stupid to get a part-time job if you're a mechanic, only because, think about it, you go to your part-time job to go get a $200 check at the taxes, and per week, and just so if you go get a brake job or a suspension job, something that paid a few hours worth of work or whatever, that's basically your check right there, all in one car. Imagine if you do 4 cars a week. So now you just pretty much defeat the whole purpose of getting a part-time job. So a lot of mechanics be like, it's you dodge the work that's actually there. It's work there. Just get it done. You want to make money? You want to make money. You don't want to make money? Then you don't want to make money. It's plain and simple. So starting off, yeah, you have to accept the pay that you have now because you're young. But when you work your way up in age, it's going to change. It's going to change. You 20 years old, you 18 years old, you 23, you 24 watching this video. It's going to happen, bro. It's going to happen. For sure. So, listen, I'm Leekautorepair. I hope everybody had like a good Christmas. The kids had a good Christmas. Everybody was set. I'm set. Everybody's set. So that's all that matters at the end of the day. So I'm Leekautorepair. We'll roll up another joke. Make sure y'all hit the L. I've been hit the L. Y'all hit the like button. 2 different L's. Like and then L. Hit the like button. That was kind of funny too. Hit the like button. Make sure y'all subscribe. And look out for me in the next video.